Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Today we're working on a Brother MFC-8910 printer. We're going to show you how to replace the drum and reset it after you replace it. It's a pretty simple process. The first thing you're going to do is open the front door here. Once you do that, you're going to remove the drum and toner that come out together. Then there's a little green tab on the side of the drum. We're going to push down on that green tab and lift the toner out of the drum. We'll set the old drum off to the side. We have our Onyx brand replacement drum. Inside of every Onyx brand drum, you're going to get replacement instructions. Alright, now that we've got our new drum, we're going to reinstall our toner into the drum. You'll feel it click back into place. There's a little green tab on the top of the drum. You're going to slide that back and forth about 2 or 3 times, making sure that it ends in the same place it starts with. You'll see 2 little arrows that point at each other. You want to make sure that's where it goes. Once you're done with that, you're going to reinstall your drum and toner back inside the printer, making sure that it sits firmly back inside the printer. Now, leaving the door open, you're going to push the clear button. The printer is going to ask you to replace drum. You'll push 1 for accept, and after that, you close it back up, and just like that, you're back up and printing.